Hello there, Scott and Mel with SkipperBud's here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, with one of our Scarab 215 IDs that we have available. It's got the Impulse graphics. Colors red and black. It's on a single axle trailer, so easy to get around your garage. Custom made trailer for the Scarab by the Wreck Boat Holding Company, Scarab. Here we have on the back, it is a twin engine boat. Nice storage in the back here as well. It's got twin Rotax 170 horsepower engines. This boat is equipped with a tower and a bimini. Go up on in here. See, it's got the Versa Lounge seating, which is nice. Move this so we can actually walk into the boat here. There you go. Kind of give you a quick tour of the cockpit. Got a nice roomy bow area. You can see up front there's an anchor locker and your light goes up there. Squared off, so there's actually a decent amount of room up in the bow. It's got an in-floor storage locker. Two nice captain's chairs and wraparound seating in the back again. As I mentioned, it's got the tower with the bimini on it as well. It does come with a table as well. There's some table mounts throughout. Here you've got your dash. It's got, like I said, the twin Rotax engines. It does have speed control. Then over here you do have a nice big glove box with the stereo head unit in it. A little storage down below there. Storage underneath all the seats. You have access to your engine compartment right here. As I said again, the twin 170 Rotax engines. Plenty of power to get this boat up and going. Like I said, a table mount there. There's some indirect lighting in the boat as well. The boat is rated for 10 people, so room for plenty of all your friends. So thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please give us a call.